होस्ट को बोलो कि उसका माइक ऑफ कर दे.
Has he started? Has he muted his mic?
Yes,
Host is
muted.
not there. Wait, I'll have to call her. I think. Kasim
I'm
is on.
muted.
Okay, yes,
बैन कर दिया.
muted. Fine. Yes, okay. I had a golden we discussed about that, right? Now, why is she pulling the chain? You know, in the early period during the Jahangir's rule, such
I
type
know.
of rule was there. Yes, say beta what you know.
Any people
Say.
have any
Yes, any people have.
any people want justice and any people want some help from the king, he can ring the bell from pulling the chain. Hello, ma'am, your voice is not coming.
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
not
they will ring
coming.
the bell. Any
Hello.
they do, they will go to, huh? And there they will pull the chain, right? This was the giving Jahangir period. Now,
The voice is cutting.
the most
Ma'am,
powerful and influential ruler of Mughal dynasty, Jahangir ascended the throne of Delhi. Who ascended the throne of Delhi, beta? Jahangir. Okay. I
yes,
request. हाँ बेटा
yeah,
बोलो.
yes, yes. Yes. Ma'am, your
Okay, I'm
voice
in
is
full network.
cutting
If
so
you
much.
can, all of you mute your mic and sit, so you'll be able to listen. So, after the death of Akbar, the most powerful and influential ruler, who was the most powerful and influential ruler of the Mughal dynasty? Jahangir. Okay. So, how did he come to the throne, and what were the incidents that we will see first? Okay. Yes, Sahil, read this
Yes,
paragraph,
ma'am.
beta. Jalus family.
Jalo family went on a tour to Delhi. Palak gave an album of snaps taken during the tour to her class teacher. He showed it to the student. Why is this lady in the picture pulling the chain of the bell? The teacher answered.
Yes. So, beta, after the death of Akbar, who came on the throne? Jahangir ascended the throne. He was the most powerful ruler and influential ruler. Means people used to get influence from him, right? Ruler of Mughal dynasty. Okay. Jahangir ascended the throne of Delhi. Now, the Mughal kingdom was extended far and far wide during this period. It was, it used to because of the different rulers attempts and their work, the empire was spread a lot, right? Why during this period there was a peace in the state, means everyone lived peacefully. No one used to fight, everyone had satisfaction, right? What everyone had, Sahil? Everyone lived in peace.
What,
How did they
ma'am?
live, beta? How did the people live? They lived in peace, right?
Yes,
They did not fight and quarrel and everything, right? Now the Yes, Shanti said. So after him, during Shah Jahan's reign, many monuments were built. शाहजहां के टाइम के जहांगीर और शाहजहां के टाइम पे मैनी मॉन्यूमेंट्स वर बिल्ट. मतलब क्या कि बहुत सारे अच्छे आज भी देख पाए हम ऐसे मॉन्यूमेंट्स उस टाइम में कंस्ट्रक्ट हुए थे, राइट? आई विल सी ईच एग्जांपल्स ऑफ दैट. Okay. So many monuments were built. Many of these were world famous monuments of the unparalleled magnificence. और उसमें से कुछ तो बेटा some of them are you know magnificent, unparalleled example, right, of the world famous monument. कैसे है वो unparalleled? मतलब कि like if you see Taj Mahal, it was constructed during Shahjahan's reign. तो ताजमहल का दूसरा एग्जाम्पल कहीं नहीं है ना? unparalleled, you can't compare it. उसके साथ पैरेलल में भी कोई नहीं आ सकता है, right? So during Mughal dynasty was stabilized. Later on, during Aurangzeb's rule, right, the empire extended, but it led to the fall of the empire too. जहांगीर के बाद औरंगजेब है, कौन आया बेटा आफ्टर जहांगीर? After came, hello, hello, can you listen me, boys?
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, yes, to reply, beta. So after Jahangir came the Aurangzeb. Who came, beta? Aurangzeb rule, right? The empire extended. Still, the empire extended, but what happened, beta? It led to downfall of the empire. What did it happen, beta? It led to the downfall of the empire. Is it clear till here?
Yes.
Now let us learn about some major incidents occurred during Jahangir, Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb's period. One by one, हम एक तीनों के देखेंगे. We'll see first about Jahangir, then we'll see about Shah Jahan, and then we will see about Aurangzeb. अब उनके बाद हम किनका देखेंगे? Aurangzeb. Is it clear?
Yes.
Jahangir, Shah Jahan and Aurangzeb. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So first we will see about Jahangir. Yes. And Mohammed is there? And Mohammed, are you there?
I think. I'll see.
Yeah. Yes, you read Sahil and Mohammed is not replying.
No, ma'am, he is not there.
Okay, fine. You read better.
Okay, ma'am. Jahangir 1605 to 1626. After the
27 beta.
27 years. After the demise of Akbar, his son Salim assumed the name of Jahangir and ascended the throne in 1605. Prince Khosrau revolted against him, and so Jahangir imprisoned him. Jahangir accused Sikh Guru Arjan Singh of helping Khusrau and so sentenced him to death. During Jahangir's reign, Hawking and Thomas Roe visited India as representatives of the King of England and sought permission to trade in India.
Yes. Jahangir's wife. Yes.
Jahangir's wife Noor Jahan was very beautiful and ambitious.
Ambitious.
Most of the administrative work of the empire was handled by her.
Yes. So beta about Jahangir if we see. Yes, Jahangir came to throne after whom beta? I said in the previous
Akbar.
paragraph. Yes, after the demise of Akbar. Demise मतलब के उनके मृत्यु के बाद. Right? Who came to the throne? Salim came. Okay?
Same.
Who came? Salim. Okay? Now Salim जो थे उन्होंने ऐसा नाम अडॉप्ट किया था. क्या नाम अडॉप्ट किया था? जहांगीर. What name did he adopt beta? He adopted the name Jahangir. Okay? Salim adopted the name Jahangir and he came to the throne. Right? Now, he was also Jahangir का meaning क्या होता है? Anyone knows? Jahangir का meaning है conqueror of the world. क्या है meaning बेटा? Conqueror of the world. World को जीतने वाला. देखो जहां means what? Pronounce करो. जहां है ना? ये जहां, right? So Jahangir means the conqueror of the world था. Meaning क्या है जहांगीर का? Conqueror of the world. So Salim adopted the name Jahangir. Okay, what did he adopt the name beta? Salim adopted the name Jahangir. Okay. Now, after this what happened? You know, Prince Khusrau revolted against him and so Jahangir imprisoned him. अब जो थे प्रिंस खुसराव थे, ओके, उन्होंने उनके खिलाफ रिवॉल्ट किया, उनके खिलाफ वो हुए, राइट? सो जहांगीर ने क्या किया? ही अरेस्टेड हिम. व्हाट डिड ही डू? ही इम्प्रिजन्ड हिम. उनको इम्प्रिजन किया. इज इट क्लियर?
Yes.
हु वाज इम्प्रिजन्ड? Sufyan is
Prince
there?
Khusrau.
Yes, Sufyan. Who was imprisoned?
King.
Yes, King Khusrau. कौन imprisoned था? King
Khusrau.
He was imprisoned, right? Now Jahangir accused Sikh Guru Arjan Singh to helping Khusrau and so sentenced him to death. और उन्होंने इनको ना ही उनको जहांगीर को सॉरी खुसरो को इम्प्रिजन किया, पर उन्होंने और क्या किया है, सिख गुरु अर्जुन सिंह ही सेंटेंस्ड हिम, मतलब के उनको यू नो he was sentenced to death, right? Why? Because he helped Khusrau to revolt against him. Okay. Now, during Jahangir's reign, Hawkins and Thomas Roe visited India as the representative of the King of England and sought permission to trade in India. Okay, इन्होंने क्या किया था जब वो आए, राइट? तो जहांगीर के टाइम में, पीरियड में, ड्यूरिंग जहांगीर reign, Hawkins and Thomas Roe visited India as representative. Visited what, beta? Visited what? Visited what, beta? Visited India, right? Hawkins and Thomas Roe visited India as representatives of the King of England and sought permission to trade in India, right? Now, Jahangir's wife, Noor Jahan, was very beautiful and ambitious too, right? Most of the administrative work of the empire was handled by her, right? Now, Jahangir's wife, what is her name? नूर जहां. उनका नाम क्या है? उनका नाम क्या है बेटा?
Noorjahan.
Yes, Noor Jahan. Yes, she was very beautiful and ambitious. What was she? She was very beautiful and ambitious, and she not only that, beta, she was hardworking also, and that is why most of the administrative work of the empire was handled by her. उनके वजह से most of the administrative work of the empire was handled by her. Is it clear about Jahangir everything?
Yes.
Yes. Sufyan, will you like to revise this ones? Can you read beta this ones, Jahangir part? Sufyan? I guess Sufyan is not listening. Anyone else will answer?
What, ma'am?
Anyone else would like to read?
Ma'am, I read.
Who is it?
Ali Riza.
Yes, Ali Raza, please.
Jahangir. After the demise of Akbar, his son Salim assumed the name of Jahangir, conqueror of the world, and ascended the throne in 1605 CE. Prince Khosrau reloaded against him and sold Jahangir, impounded him. Jahangir accused Sikh Guru Arjun Singh of helping Khusrau and so sentenced him to death. During Jahangir's reign, Hawking and Thomas Roy
Visited. Very
visited
good.
India as representatives of the King of England and South Premisians who trade in India. Jahangir's wife Noor Jahan was very beautiful and ambitious.
Ambitious. Okay.
Most of the administrative work of the empire was handled by her.
Yes. Understood everyone? Any doubt?
No
Okay.
doubt.
Okay. Now we will see about Shah Jahan. Okay. Yes. Yes. Who will like to read Shah Jahan's part?
I read
Yes, I will read beta.
Shah Jahan 1627 to 1658. Shah Jahan believed that agriculture is fundamental to the prosperity of a nation. So he gave primary importance to agriculture and continued with Akbar's land revenue system. He appointed honest and hardworking officers. Shah Jahan established a new city near Delhi and named it Shah Jahanabad. He constructed many grand buildings there. The comparison to others, the Mughal Empire's income and revenue was more during Shah Jahan's reign. Shah Jahan constructed world-famous monuments like the Taj Mahal, Diwane Am and Diwane Khas. In the Red Fort, Rang,
Rang
Rangmal,
Rang
Rangmal,
Mahal.
Rangmahal, Moti Masjid, Jama Masjid of Delhi, etc.
Hmm. Yes. So Shah Jahan believed that agriculture is fundamental. Sorry, Shah Jahan 1627 to 1658, right? So Shah Jahan believed. What did he believe, beta? He believed that agriculture, है ना? Agriculture is what, beta? Agriculture is the primary, मतलब the basic of fundamental prosperity of any nation. किसी भी नेशन के लिए एग्रीकल्चर वर्क जो है वो प्राइमरी रिक्वायरमेंट है ना. So he gave primary importance to the agriculture and continued with Akbar's land revenue system. He appointed honest and hard working officers. फिर उन्होंने क्या किया बेटा? He appointed very honest and hard working officers. Apart from that, he also followed what, beta? Followed the land revenue. What did he follow? Followed the land revenue. Land revenue matlab the taxes which were collected on land, okay, on the agriculture, on the land, right? So he followed the same primary table which was followed by Akbar, okay. Then what he did, beta? Shah Jahan, he established a new city near Delhi. Where did he establish, beta? New city near Delhi and named it Shah Jahanabad. What did he name, beta? What did he name it? What did he name the city? Boys?
Shah Jahabad.
Yes.
Shajahabad.
Yes, he named it Shah Jahanabad, the city near Delhi. Okay, he established a new city near Delhi and named it Shah Jahanabad. What did he name?
Shahjahanbad.
Yes, Shah Jahanabad. He constructed many grand buildings there. Apart from the city, in the city, he constructed many grand buildings. Grand buildings means what, beta? Bade bade buildings. Okay. He constructed many grand buildings there, and he established a new city near Delhi and named it Shah Jahanabad, and he constructed many grand buildings. Now, in comparison to others, the Mughal Empire's income and revenue was more during Shah Jahan's reign. है ना? मुगल एम्पायर का जो रेवेन्यू था was more and income was also more. दूसरे रूलर से अगर कंपेयर करो तो his empire had more and more income, okay, than others. Okay, Mughal Empire's income and revenue was more during Shah Jahan's reign. Shah Jahan constructed world famous monuments like Taj Mahal, Diwane Am, Diwane Khas in the Red Fort, Rang Mahal, Moti Masjid, Jama Masjid of Delhi, etc. Now ये दीवाने आम और दीवाने खास में क्या फर्क है, किसी को पता है? Anyone visited this
I
Red
visited
Fort?
Taj Mahal, but I didn't visit Diwane Am and Diwane Khas.
Okay, Diwane Am and Diwane Khas is a part of Red Fort. What it is?
Part of Red Fort.
हाँ, दीवाने आम में तब क्या होता था? हाँ, दीवाने आम में तब क्या होता था बेटा? दीवाने आम में only this normal people used to gather there. Okay, what was there? Normal people जो थे, हाँ, and दीवाने खास में the guest and everyone they will be gathering over there. Understood? Diwane Am and Diwane Khas. Okay? Is it clear? So Diwane Am, Diwane Khas in the Red Fort, Rang Mahal, Moti Masjid, Jama Masjid of Delhi, all these were constructed world famous monuments, and they were constructed during Shah Jahan's reign, right? Which monuments were constructed, beta? World famous monuments.
Taj Mahal, Diwane Am, Diwane Khas, Red Fort, Rangmal, Moti Masjid and Jama Masjid.
Huh. Right? What was constructed?
Yes.
Someone else will answer. वेरी गुड
Demon
साहिल.
monuments.
कोई और आंसर देगा?
ताजमहल, दीवान ए आम, दीवान ए खास, इन द रेड फोर्ट, रंग महल, मोती मस्जिद, जमा मस्जिद ऑफ दिल्ली, ETC.
ETC मतलब एक्स्ट्रा, एक्सेट्रा. ओके, मतलब इनके अलावा भी बहुत सारे कंस्ट्रक्शंस हुए थे, है ना. हमें इतने ही मालूम है, मतलब हम यहाँ इतने ही की बात करेंगे, इससे
Yes.
ज्यादा भी हुए थे. समझे?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
अंडरस्टूड ना?
Understood.
ओके, चलो. नाउ औरंगजेब. यस, हु विल रीड औरंगजेब?
I read
Yes, you read, but someone else wants to read.
Aurangzeb, 1658 to 1707. Aurangzeb's memory was extraordinary sharp. He was well versed in Arabic and Persian languages, and he and had studied the Quran Sharif in detail. Aurangzeb disliked art, music, and painting. He Durga's waged a prolonged war with Aurangzeb for 25 years in Marwar. औरंगजेब also मैम ये मारवाड़ प्लेस है
Sorry.
ये मारवाड़ प्लेस है
Yes, it's a place.
ओके मैम Aurangzeb also fought against the Sai state of Bijapur and Golconda in the south for 25 years. In Maharashtra, Shivaji established the Maratha kingdom in South India and had constant conflicts with Aurangzeb. The Jats and the Sikhs too revolted against Aurangzeb.
Jats and the Sikhs वो एक religion का नाम. Okay. Okay. Now we will see Aurangzeb's memory and extra Aurangzeb 1658 to 1707. Okay. Aurangzeb's memory was extraordinary sharp. How was its memory?
Extraordinary sharp.
Yes, sharp than everyone, right? Extraordinary sharp, right? Okay.
Yes.
Aurangzeb's memory was extraordinary sharp, right? And that is why he brought many changes. Okay. He was well versed in Arabic and Persian language and had studied Quran Sharif in detail. है ना? He studied what? He studied Quran Sharif. What did he studied, beta?
कुरान शरीफ
हाँ, क्या पढ़ा था उन्होंने? Why only
कुरान
two boys are
शरीफ
answering?
कुरान शरीफ पढ़ा था
हाँ,
in detail.
why all the boys are not answering?
And there are only
मैं
16
कुरान शरीफ
boys.
पढ़ा था.
Sorry?
There are only 16 boys.
हाँ, but answers why I'm not getting?
यस मैम.
हाँ,
क्या मैम?
आंसर्स क्यों नहीं दे रहे हो बेटा?
मैं अभी समझ रहा हूँ, आता नहीं है मुझे.
हाँ,
मैं अभी समझ रहा हूँ, लेसन समझता हूँ.
बस समझ, आप जरा जोर से बोलोगे.
Ma'am, he is saying that मैं अभी समझ रहा हूँ बात में जवाब दूंगा.
अच्छा, ठीक है, चलो. Anyone else? Why everyone is not answering?
Because all are sleeping.
Sufyan,
यस मैम.
why no answers?
मैंने तो अभी दिया ना, कुरान शरीफ मैंने बोला.
Okay, in which language?
अरबिक.
Arabic and Persian.
Yes, Arabic and Persian language, right? Now Aurangzeb
Yes.
yes, Aurangzeb के कुछ dislikes भी थे. Yes, what were his dislikes? He disliked music, art and painting, right? ये बाकी सब rulers को ये सब पसंद था, but he disliked this, right? Okay, he disliked these things. What did he dislike, beta?
Art, music, and
Music,
painting.
art, and painting.
Music, art, and painting.
Yes.
Yes, he disliked the all these things, right? Veer Durga
Yes.
Das. Yes, Veer Durga Das waged a prolonged war with Aurangzeb for 25 years in order to free Mewar. मेवाड़ फ्री करने के लिए उन्होंने 25 years तक लंबी वॉर चलाई थी, right? Means daily नहीं है, on a alternate basis, right? Aurangzeb also fought against Shiha states of Bijapur. Where did he fight, beta? Shiva state of Bijapur and
Bijapur.
yes, and Golconda in the south for 25 years. For how many years, beta? Aurang
25 years.
yes, for 25 years. Yes, and Golconda in the south for 25 years. In Maharashtra, Shivaji established the Maratha kingdom in South India and had constant conflicts with Aurangzeb. Okay, in Maharashtra, Shivaji established the Maratha kingdom. क्या establish किया था बेटा? Maratha
Marathan
kingdom.
Kingdom.
Yes, Maratha kingdom in the south and had constant conflicts. Conflicts मतलब constant कोई ना कोई बातों से, they used to fight. The Jats and the Sikhs to revolted against Aurangzeb. उन्होंने भी औरंगजेब से revolt किया था. They also disliked Aurangzeb. Yes, yes. Now we will see about social life. Yes, Sufyan, will you like to read, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, read beta after knowing.
Society was based on the
बेटा वो
feudal
दो लाइन्स पढ़
system
लो बेटा.
during.
After
Okay,
knowledge.
ma'am.
After
After
knowing.
knowing about some of the incidents that occurred during the rule of Mughal Emperor Shah Jahangir, Shah Jahan, and Aurangzeb, now let us learn about their social life and administration. Society was based on the feudal system during the Mughal era. The king and his courtiers led a life of pleasure and luxury. The emperors and amirs were fond of expensive clothes and jewelry. Abdul Fazil has written that about 1,000 expensive garments used to be made for the emperor every year. During this time, Gujarati traders conducted business on a large scale and large volume of goods were imported and exported from the ports of Gujarat. Festivals were celebrated with a lot of pomp and grandeur. During Jahangir's reign, Dashera was celebrated in a grand manner. Foreigners did not foreigners मैम ये क्या है
Read the spelling. When you don't
did
know.
not have the right to take away wealth from India.
Yes. Wealth मतलब the money. Okay. Understood? Okay. So social life. How was society based on? First we will see. Okay. It was based on feudal system during the Mughal era. Feudal system, right? King was king and his courtiers led a life of pleasure and luxury. Not only king, उनके जो courtiers थे, they also lived a life of luxury, right? And the emperors and the armies were fond of expensive clothes and jewelry. Abdul Fazl has written that about 1,000 expensive garments. कितने कितने बेटा?
1,000.
Yes, 1,000 expensive garments, सस्ते नहीं, expensive garments used to be made for the emperor every year. Every year उतने garments उनके लिए बनते थे, right? किन किन के लिए? People के लिए, right? During this time, Gujarati traders conducted business on a very large scale and large volume of goods were imported and exported from the part of Gujarat. कहाँ से import export होते थे बेटा?
Gujarat.
Yes, from Gujarat,
Gujarat.
right? Right, from Gujarat. Okay. Festivals were celebrated with lot of pomp and grandeur. Grandeur मतलब बहुत like a very, they used to very excitedly and very, with every possible enjoyment just to celebrate the each and every festival. Dashera was celebrated in a grand manner. You can see the picture also of Dashera, Ravan Dahan, right? Foreigners
Yes.
did not have the right to take away wealth from India. During this period, social life of people during this time, foreigners जो थे, है ना, उनको ये rights नहीं था कि यहाँ से wealth ले जाए. Wealth मतलब the money. Okay? So all this is about social life. Sahil, revise this paragraph. किसी को कुछ समझ में ना आया तो फिर से समझे.
Okay, ma'am. Social life. Social life. Society was based on the feudal system during the Mughal era. The king and his
Courtiers.
courtiers led a life to pleasure and luxury. The emperors and armies were fond of expensive clothes and jewelry. Abdul Fazal has written that about 1,000 expensive garments was used to be made for the emperor every year. During this time, Gujarati traders conducted business on a large scale, and large volume of goods were imported and imported from the ports of Gujarat. Festivals were celebrated with a lot of pomp and grandeur.
Grandeur, yes.
grandeur. During Jahangir's reign, Dussehra was celebrated in a grand manner. Foreigners did not have the right to take away wealth from India.
Yes. Understood everyone till here? All of
Yes,
you? All boys?
yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
Chalo, very good. I must say that you have to complete your fair book today itself. Okay?
okay, ma'am.
You have got your notes, right? Like this lesson notes I have
Okay,
sent you,
ma'am.
right?
Okay, ma'am.
हम्म, तो ये फेयर बुक कंप्लीट कर लेना. और मैं फिर से रिपीट करती हूँ कि इस लेसन का इतना ही पूछा जाएगा जितना मैंने करवाया है. इज इट क्लियर?
Okay,
The things what I have
okay.
taught you, only that will be asked. Is it clear, beta?
Yes,
Ma'am.
clear,
All of you clear?
Yes,
clear.
ma'am.
The
Yes.